Did you know a medieval peasant's sneeze could change the course of history? In the late 1340s, the Black Death swept across Europe, wiping out nearly a third of the population. This devastating plague shattered feudalism by creating a labor shortage, empowering serfs to demand better conditions. Merchants and trade routes brought more than just goods. They brought new ideas that fueled the Renaissance. But the plague didn't just end there. It led to profound social, religious, and economic upheaval. Could such an event bring as drastic a change in today's world?